Today I'm going to show you how to save a buttload of money on film by bulk loading your own. For today's video, I'll be using the Watson 100 35mm bulk film loader. You'll probably not be using this film loader as this one is discontinued, but a lot of what I'll be showing you will apply as a lot of the film loaders do use the same kind of design. Let's start with the knobs. Up front we have these two which coincide with each other and essentially just crank the film into your roll. On the side we have the film counter, which tells you how many frames have been loaded into your roll of film. Right here is the release lever for the door. Once we lift it, this latch opens up and we can load our film. Last but not least is this little cover that just unscrews and is where we put our film in. Now I can't really show you how to load your film into this system as it should be done in complete darkness, but I do have this roll of tape which we can use for demonstration purposes. All you really have to do is take your film, shiny side up, slip it through that little cutout. Once it's sitting in there, just put everything back together and make sure that it is light tight. Something that you should take note of is this gate open close sign. Remember that little cutout that was inside of the bulk loader? When the gate is open, that means that the cutout is exposed to light, so when the gate is closed, no light can come in. Now that the film is loaded into the bulk loader, make sure that the gate is closed, and we can open this up, and this is what it should look like. Take note of your film. It should be aligned with these two sprocket teeth, so that when you actually start turning the crank, your film will actually be loaded properly. From here, you'll be needing a few different things. One of these reusable film canisters, some tape, and a pair of scissors. I happen to be using the Colt reusable film canisters. They just unscrew and open up like so. All we have to do is take a little bit of tape, wrap it around the spindle, tape it to our roll of film, then just put it back together. For this particular bulk loader, I have to pull out both of these levers, properly line it up. Again, watch out for the sprocket teeth, making sure that they are aligned. From here, close everything up. Open the gate. Remember to do that because if you have the gate closed, once you start cranking, it will actually scratch up your film. At this point, we can actually start loading our film, but don't forget to reset your frame counter to 0. To start loading the film, I'm just going to hold the bulk loader like this and start cranking. As you can probably hear, the bulk loader is clicking. This is so every time a frame is counted. I'll actually be loading 36 frames onto this roll. So I am at 20, 30, 34, 35, 36. When you reach the number of frames that you actually want to load 4 more to give yourself extra room when you're loading your film into the camera. In this roll, I want 36 exposures. That means 4 extra would be 40. If I wanted 24, 4 extra would be 28. So I'm at 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. In this particular bulk loader, it actually goes back to 0 once you hit 40 frames, making it very easy and straightforward if you want only 36 exposures. Right now, I'm going to close the gate, pop this back up, cut my film, leaving about an inch. Take our roll out. The last thing that we need to do is to cut the film leader into our recently rolled film. If you don't know what it is or forgot what the film leader looks like, it's this cutout right here. So we're just going to duplicate that onto this roll. Here's the final product. At this point, we are done with this roll. We can finish with the 100-foot roll of film and just load the rest, or just leave it in there as this is light sealed and will not damage the film. That's all that it really takes to bulk load your own film. It's a quick and simple process that can save you a lot of money. With the HP5 that I used, I saved about $2 per roll. That means within the 100-foot bulk roll, I saved about $40. If this video has helped you out, or if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.